Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a paper account that send and receive money in Nigeria and other unsupported countries. So before I start, I first introduce myself. So my name is Emmanuel. I'm an internet marketer. So all you have to do for me is just to come here, subscribe to my channel, come here, turn off the notification. I do video on how to make money online. So anytime I drop a video, YouTube will give you a notification that Emmanuel have actually dropped a video. So if you come over to Google right here and search for paper.com and hit search here, it's loading. So you will see that they say paper is for everyone who pays online. So this, if you create an account with this paper, you can only send, you cannot receive. You can only send, you cannot receive. So to solve the problem, what you have to do is to come to Google right here and search for paper.com/LOS. paper.com/LOS. So hit search here. So as you can see here, paper is for everyone who pays and gets paid. You can pay, you can get paid. So if you scroll down right here, you can see paper. So scroll down right all the way here. So go right here, hit mail here, and click on this one that say business. Click on this one that say business. So come down here. Come down here where they say create, sign up and get started. Hit so hit this one that say business account. It's loading. It will take some time. So right here you can enter your email address. Click on continue here. So you're gonna choose a password that you can remember. Click on continue here. It's loading. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It's loading. So right here you put your first name. Then your last name. So this one your business name. My is email host. Then your phone number. So you have to put this in Nigeria because me I'm in Nigeria, so your address. So your city. So this postal code. If you don't know, so right, if you don't know your postal code, simply go to Google and search for your postal code. In this primary currency, you can put US dollar. Then click on address and click on address and continue. It's loading. Then right here, then right here, just simply put your password. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. It will just take some time. So as it's loading, if you're not subscribed, just smash the subscribe button, turn on notification. So right here, they say you confirm your information to help keep your account secure. So right here, just click on continue. Okay, I'm gonna change this thing to Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria right now. Nigeria. Just click on continue here. So they say business type. Just my is individual stroke proprietorship. So this, just think of something. My I can put like YouTube. Just think of something that related to your business. They say you can't find any. still something related to your let me just put this thing right here. This one it's optional, you can leave it. Smash on continue here. So they say your birthday, so you can put your birthday, you can so right here, nationality Nigeria, you can select this one, select my identification number. This one you can put your identification number, or you can put your passport, your driving license, any one of your choice. You can put, after that just click on submit right here. It's loading. Right here they say welcome to Pepper Commerce platform, where you can find tools that can help you business, you can help your business grow and succeed. Just click on OK here. So right here you can see that your account has been created. Pepper balance, you can see right here. So that is it. So if I give you a value in this video, simply subscribe to my channel, turn on notification. I make video on how to make money online. So anytime I drop a video, YouTube will actually give you a notification that Emmanuel have actually dropped a video. So thanks for watching.